One of the biggest barriers to weight loss with PCOS is real life. In real life, there are interruptions to your daily eating and exercise schedule, like vacations and road trips. To be clear, we'd never suggest you shouldn't enjoy some special treats on your vacation. Of course you should. But we know how even as little as a weekend of off-plan eating can derail your progress, send your weight soaring, and generally just make you sad. The good news is it's not all or nothing. With a little preparation, you can arrange to eat low GI, pcos-friendly foods part-time during your trip, minimize the damage, and stay on track to achieving your most audacious goals. Healthy proteins are the hardest foods to find on the road. Here are some daily go-to ideas to keep your daily protein count up. Make protein pancakes ahead of your trip and pack them in your cooler bag. Eat them cold on the road or warm them up in the microwave at gas stations or in hotels. Pre-mix 100 grams of oat bran with a scoop of protein powder in Ziploc baggies. Carry a bowl and spoon, and then all you need to find is some hot water and breakfast is ready. Take protein powder in a shaker bottle, along with water, almond milk, or even regular milk if you are insensitive, and you can have a meal in just a few shakes. Pre-cook chicken breasts or buy it pre-cooked and carry it with you in a cooler bag. Canned tuna is perfect for traveling. Take easy open cans and a fork and you're good to go. Some PCOS ladies are sensitive to caffeine, but not all. If you're a coffee drinker, firstly, you might want to substitute your typical large coffee with a small espresso to cut down on bathroom breaks. Secondly, bring along a little stevia, erythritol, or monk fruit for sweetening. This is an easy way to avoid sugar spikes, especially if you're drinking more coffee than usual to keep you alert while driving. Vegetable servings in restaurants are almost always too small and full of butter. So load up on fresh vegetables. Pea pods and carrots are just two car-friendly options. Celery is another, and you can raise its appeal with a small side of no sugar added nut butter for dipping. Vegetables are preferred as snacks to fruits because they have less naturally occurring sugar. But fruits are preferred to junk food, and some fruits are easier to eat in the car than others. Citrus fruits are a great refreshing option. Protein bars usually have lots of extra ingredients, processed junk and hidden sugars that make them the equivalent of candy bars. But if you can find some with very limited ingredients, it could be an option. Nuts, seeds, light popcorn and dark stevia-sweetened chocolate will always be better alternatives than the candy aisle. Pack it all up in a cooler bag or tote bag and you're good to go. Once you reach your destination, you can visit a local grocery store to replenish your healthy food supplies. Again, you don't have to eat every meal from your prepared food. You're on vacation after all. But if you're keen not to sacrifice all the work you've been doing to lose weight with PCOS, substituting some meals and snacks with your own prepared food can make a very positive impact and give you some peace of mind. Click the link in the description for our full list of travel foods and snacks. And like and subscribe for more We the PCOS content.